In this quick demonstration of the Pretectum Customer MDM platform, we'll walk through adding a rich contact record to an existing membership dataset, highlighting how you ensure data accuracy from the very first entry. We'll start the journey from the relationships map, and then with a single click, we're able to navigate to our target dataset. Here, you can see the existing entries and manage the data pool. By selecting Add Data, a clean sidebar interface opens up for manual record entry. We'll begin with the basics, like the full name and phone numbers. As we enter special data, like an email address, the system immediately prepares a verification call for the email domain and updates an indicator. Background integrations for various special data types ensures the data entries stay clean, and in turn, prevent data profile issues, like email communication bounces. Address integration takes the guesswork out of location data, and actual address verification is performed with indicators that suggest geo-precision and are served up at the record level with an option to replace the existing address with a standardized one. To maintain organization, we utilize field-level settings like pick lists. Whether selecting a membership type or socioeconomic status, these predefined options ensure your data remains standardized for accurate reporting. And if you need more than just text, you can easily attach high-resolution images and PDF documents, such as profile photos or identification records, directly to the profile. This keeps all relevant information in one centralized location. At any point in the record creation process, you can also save the record, even when it is incomplete. That is, unless you have tried to fill out fields that you may have defined as mandatory. Upon your return to the record, you can continue adding or editing data. Updates to indicators happen at all stages in the data record management lifecycle. Quick navigation options extend the user journey beyond inline validation of entries and supports viewing other aspects of the customer profile record. In this example, we navigate to the location section, and where one or more addresses are detected, they are plotted and validated. Geodata is appended to the record, and validity markers updated. If you wish to improve the address and adopt a proposed alternative address, this option is made available here. Comments and annotations allow users to make comments on various structures within the platform, down to the individual customer data profile level. When consent management actions are invoked against individual profiles or whole datasets, additional indicators are activated. These begin with a blue shield to indicate that consent has been requested, and then go on to indicate where the recipient of the consent request has been followed through with data validation and consent management, or just data validation, using a thumbs up for affirmation or thumbs down for denial. When email addresses are entered, the system first checks email address structure in the front end, but within seconds starts to evaluate the email domain for mail exchange validity and the actual email address for deliverability, depending on the licensing and configuration for email deliverability verification. Attachments as images or documents are visible seamlessly and can be protected when marked as PII. A convenient carousel mode supports scrolling through multiple images. Dataset ratings allow users to provide a viewpoint on the relative quality, popularity, or suitability of a dataset for some particular purpose or use case. Dataset tagging classifiers enable users and administrators to nominate particular datasets for specific purposes, such as disposability, transactional aspects, or golden nominal categorization. Learn more by visiting www.pretectum.com.